Today morning very prime news highlight from SNH from Mumbai. India's small business credit landscape evolving rapidly, CRIF High Mark SIDBI report. CRIF High Mark and SIDBI have unveiled the second edition of CRIF SIDBI Small Business Spotlight Report, December 2025, offering interesting credit insights into small businesses with credit exposure up to 5 crore rupees, which remains central to financial inclusion, employment generation, and balanced economic growth. The report points to a resilient small business credit environment marked by sustained portfolio expansion, gradual formalization, wider lender participation, and healthy asset quality. Key findings: strong credit growth. Aggregate small business credit exposure reached 46 lakh rupees crore, up 16.2% YoY, with active loan accounts rising 11.8% YoY to 7.3 crores. Comprehensive policy initiatives for the MSME sector, including implementation of several government credit schemes, have played a pivotal role in sustaining strong credit growth. Increased formalization. Sole proprietors form approximately 80% of credit and approximately 90% of borrowers. The fastest growing cohort is sole proprietors with entity presence, up 20% YoY, led by LAP. As of September 25, 23.3% were new to credit and 12% new to enterprise, signaling increased formalization. NBFCs expanding market. Private banks lead enterprise lending, closely followed by PSBs, while NBFCs gain share among sole proprietors with more than 41% share. Unsecured loan growth. For enterprises, working capital dominates, approximately 57% POAs, while term loans fund capex. For sole proprietors, LAP leads, followed by business and CV loans. Unsecured loans grew 31% YoY despite stress concerns. Credit momentum in smaller states and services. Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat led by portfolio size, but Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal show high growth. Beyond top 100 locations now hold a rising share, especially in Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Manufacturing leads in absolute credit, while services grew 19.6% YoY. Improved portfolio quality. PAR 91 to 180 fell to approximately 1.4%, September 25, from 1.7%, September 23. Enterprises show better risk, but sole proprietors also improved. Very low risk borrower share rose between September 23 September 25, aided by better underwriting and digital data. Thank you for watching SNH. Do you like it? Could you please share to your family members, friends, colleagues?